Good morning, students. Once again, I welcome you all to the online teaching learning program. Today, I am going to teach you the second chapter of English practice book of Standard 2. The title is Riddle Time. So, here we come to the second chapter, Riddle Time. Children, do you know what is the meaning of riddle? Let me tell you. Riddle means a difficult question that you ask people for fun that has a clever or amusing answer. In Hindi, we call it Paheli. Now come to the topic, riddle time. Let's discuss the first worksheet. Let me read the question for you. In lesson 2, riddle time, you must have enjoyed finding answers to the riddles. Let's have some more fun. Find a word from the box for each clue. So children, what we have to do here? Clues are given here. And for these clues, words are given in the help box. We have to read all the clues and find a suitable for these clues from this help box. So, I'm going to read the clues for you. There are 10 of these on my hands. So, which word from the help box you can find for this clue? Yes, fingers. Okay, there are 10 of this on my hand. So what are they? These are fingers. Second clue, it tells the time. Very easy. Yes, clock. I eat it with butter or jam. Bread. It has leaves. Tree. I smell with it. Nose. My father and mother. Parents. They are in my mouth. What are in my mouth? Yes, teeth. I read it. Book. So, you have seen that it was so easy. So, we have completed the first worksheet. Now, come to the worksheet 2. What is written here? Look carefully at given pictures. Write in the bubble what each animal is saying. Choose the sentence from the given help box. So children, you can see here pictures of animals are given here and some dialogues are written here in the help box. What we have to do? We have to find a suitable dialogue for a suitable picture. Means we have to match the dialogue with the picture and write in the dialogue box. Now, the first picture you can see, it's of a giraffe. So, what giraffe is saying for itself? Yes, I have a long neck. Second, monkey. What this monkey is saying? I like to swing from the branches. You can see these sentences are written in help box. We have to choose the sentence and write in the suitable dialog box according to the picture. Now, this picture is of a bird, and what this bird is saying? I fly high up in the sky. Yes, more pictures are there. Now, this is an elephant. What elephant is saying? I have a long trunk. Now, lion. I am the king of the jungle. And this tiger. I run very fast. And now, this one is saying I have a shell on my back. So, we have written all the dialogue in the dialogue box according to the picture of the animals. Okay. So, second worksheet is also completed. Now, come to the third worksheet. What the question is saying here? Make as many sentences as you can with this table and write them in the space given below. You can see here 3 boxes are there and words are written. what we have to do? We have to match the words and make suitable sentences. See, some sentences are already written here. I'm going to read for you. I ate an ice cube. I am reading a good book. You can see matching has been done and a suitable sentence has been formed. The dog ran after a cat. Give me an egg for breakfast. I can see an old lady. So children, with this we have completed the third worksheet also. So we have done all the worksheet of the second chapter. Okay. Now what we have to do? You children, what you have to do? You just do all this worksheet in your classwork copy. Okay. And revise it nicely. And go through the chapter once again. Okay. And learn the important words like spelling of fingers, clock, bread, tree, nose, parents, teeth, book. Okay. So do all the worksheets in your classwork copy and write all the important word in the classwork copy as well. Okay. So I will meet you soon with my next video for the next chapter. Till then, goodbye.